welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is actually about a new online workshop that I will be doing live on August 28th and 29th. You can find the link here. Everything's live and ready on the website, and we have a longer description of everything, about how this is going to work. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about that workshop because this is completely different. This is a new thing that I thought would be helpful to a lot of people. The title of it is Get to Know Your Art Stuff, and I developed it because I want our customers and interested artists to be more empowered with knowledge about their art materials. Yes, I meet students who are very, very, involved and knowledgeable. And then I find that there's a lot of people who have really significant holes in their understanding of materials, what the relationship between products are, how they're intended to be used versus how some pop culture crazy person on Instagram's using it and stuff like this. What I did was I developed a 2-day online workshop. It's just 3 hours each day, and we tried to keep the cost down to make it as available to anybody who is interested to take this workshop who wants to. There is also no supply list. You are not required to bring anything besides your brain, your eyeballs, and a pad of paper to take notes, because this is going to be information heavy. We are going to be walking you through the ins and outs of how things are made. What are they made out of? Where does this come from? How is, what's the safe handling procedure for this particular product? What happens when you use it in these kind of alternative ways, and stuff like that. So really in-depth technical knowledge about your materials to help you make better decisions when you're shopping for yourself. And then also, those decisions will enable you, and that information will enable you to have a better grip on how you use your materials every single day. So this really is about knowledge and empowerment for each and every one of you out there. So we're basically doing kind of like this 2-minute format where it's like me chatting and I'm showing you stuff. There will be limited demonstration where I'm showing you a product and stuff like this. Most of this will be where I'm pointing to things and stuff like that. You will receive an instructional booklet that is for you to follow along with, so that you don't get lost and stuff like this. But we are going to do some deep dives into paint, into brushes, into grounds, into drawing materials, and all kinds of other materials that maybe you flip past it in the catalog and we're like, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that does. I don't know why I would want that. Well, that's what this whole thing is going to be about. So we're going to spend 2 afternoons getting all eggheady in your face about art materials and the ins and outs of that. So I think it's going to be really fun and really informative and super useful for students who are willing to take the deep dive with me. So we look forward to seeing you there. This is an online workshop only. The deadline for registration is August 21st. It's going to be fantastic. You shouldn't miss out. Just come join us. It's going to be great, and hope to see you there. Enjoy.